Air fryers are the perfect kitchen appliance for those who love fried food but want a healthier option. A good quality air fryer delivers delicious meals with minimal effort. There are many products available to choose air fryers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air fryers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Instant Vortex vs. Zone Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex 9-quart vs. Zone 8-in-1 air fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that can bake, roast, broil, reheat, dehydrate, and synchronize cooking. The VersaZone technology allows for cooking in a single 9-quart basket or dual 4.5-quart zones with separate controls for each. Sync Cook lets you cook both baskets with the same cooking settings, while Sync Finish allows you to program baskets with 2 different settings to automatically finish at the same time. The Even Crisp technology ensures top-down airflow for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. This air fryer also features one-touch smart programs for customizable cooking options such as wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and cinnamon buns. It has a fast preheating time and a temperature range of 95 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for creating gourmet meals quickly. Its safety features such as overheat protection and auto-off are built in, giving you peace of mind while cooking. The Instant Pot app, which is available on both iOS and Android. The non-stick and dishwasher-safe basket make for easy cleaning, making this appliance a convenient addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Kasori Pro 3 Dual Blaze Air Fryer. The Kasori Pro 3 Dual Blaze Air Fryer is a premium edition air fryer designed to cook food quickly and with precise temperature control. Dual heating elements and smart temperature algorithms ensure your food is crispy and juicy every time. This air fryer has 12 convenient functions, including air fry, bake, broil, roast, keep warm, reheat, chicken, steak, seafood, veggie, fry, and frozen. You can also customize and save the 6+6 cooking function with your preferred time and temperature. The 6.8-quart basket is large enough to fit up to 17 chicken wings without stacking on top of each other, so they cook more evenly. The Freebie Sync app lets you remotely control your air fryer, monitor cooking progress, and activate voice control with Google Assistant for easy cooking. In addition, the app provides access to hundreds of creative and easy-to-follow online recipes from certified Kasori chefs. Its non-stick BPA-free and PFOA-free basket is easy to clean and dishwasher-safe. The Kasori Pro 3 air fryer is perfect for anyone looking to cook healthy, delicious food without the hassle of traditional cooking methods. Number 3. Cuisinart TOA70 Air Fryer. The Cuisinart TOA70 air fryer is a versatile and premium kitchen appliance that offers a variety of cooking functions. It has an impressive 1,800 watts of power, this oven capable of toasting, baking, grilling, broiling, warming, and air frying. The oven is large enough to accommodate 6 slices of bread, 3 pounds of chicken wings, a 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken, making it an ideal choice for families or those who like to entertain. The adjustable temperature dial and 60-minute timer with auto shutoff let you control the cooking process and ensure your food is cooked to perfection every time. The oven features an oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, grill, and non-stick easy clean interior for easy and hassle-free cleaning. Additionally, the product comes with a limited 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. The Cuisinart TOA70 air fryer is an excellent choice for a high-quality, multifunctional appliance that can meet all of their cooking needs. Number 4. Philips Essential Air Fryer. The Philips Essential Air Fryer is a must-have for anyone looking to make healthier and delicious meals at home with ease. Thanks to its unique and patented starfish design, this air fryer creates fast and even cooking results by circulating hot air around the food, resulting in a crispy texture on the outside and tender on the inside, using up to 90% less fat than traditional deep frying. It offers 13-in-1 cooking functions, including frying, baking, grilling, roasting, and reheating, giving you the flexibility to prepare a wide range of dishes. The digital touchscreen with 7 presets makes it easy to choose the right temperature for your food, and the Keep Warm function ensures your food stays warm until you are ready to serve. It has a 4.1-liter capacity. You can cook up to 4 portions of food at once. The compact design minimizes counter space, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. By downloading the Philips Kitchen app, you can access hundreds of delicious and healthy recipes and features that will help you improve your cooking skills. The Philips Essential Air Fryer is a smart investment for any home cook. Number 5. Ninja SF301 Speedy Air Fryer. The Ninja SF301 Speedy Air Fryer is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that can help you prepare healthy and delicious meals quickly and easily. It has a 6-quart capacity that can accommodate 4 chicken breasts and 1 pound of pasta, making it perfect for families. The 12-in-1 functionality lets you choose from different cooking modes, such as speedy meals, steam and crisp, steam and bake, steam, proof, air fry, roast, air broil, dehydrate, sear and saute, slow cook, and sous vide. You can easily switch between rapid cooker and air fry modes using the Smart Switch functionality to unlock endless possibilities. The Speedy Meals function allows you to prepare a complete meal in just one pot in 15 minutes using your choice of combination. Additionally, the air fry function can help you prepare healthy meals with 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. It's also easy to clean, with a non-stick pot and crisper tray that are dishwasher safe, ensuring quick cleanup after cooking. The Ninja SF301 Air Fryer offers convenience, versatility, and healthy food options for your family. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.